Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to turn off talkback on any Poco phone. Now if you tap on the screen of your display and your smartphone starts talking back,
Home button. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
and you want to disable this feature, just open the settings app.
Settings.
Now from here, just scroll down with 2 fingers and select additional settings.
Additional settings. Back. Out of list.
Just go to accessibility.
Accessibility. Back. Out of list. Double tap to activate.
Now from here, just go to vision. Now from here, just tap on talkback.
Talkback. Back. Out of list. Double tap to activate.
Now from here, just disable use talkback.
You stop talkback. Stop.
And this is how you can turn off talkback on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.